Thank you. And another question po from Marinel Cruz. Ito naman ay para kay Ma'am Shi Melay.
Ako na, ay, hindi ako.
Bilang International Women's Month ngayong March, ano ang kahulugan ng pagiging woman of power sa'yo? Serious to ko, auntie, ha?
um, um, Being a woman in power, having a kili-kili power. Hindi, ang woman in power sa atin, sa katayo kasi mga ako, lalo na ako nanay ba, seryoso din ang sagot ko, siyempre, niremind ang sarili. Kasi bakit tayong mga, lalo na ako nanay, power sa akin kung ikaw na nanay, magaling kang mag-pray sa mga anak mo. Oh, sasabihin niyo na naman na, hey, very cool naman siya. Kasi, yun ang kailangan biya natin. Huwag kayong magganyan-ganyan. Kasi, siyempre, gagamitin talaga natin itong media na ito para i-share yan ganyan. Because, kapag marunong ka mag-pray sa anak mo, ikaw na kaibigan, na babae, marunong ka mag-pray sa kapatid mo, you have the power to control the disaster to that kind of emotion. Oh, di ba? Naintindihan mo? Hindi ko rin naintindihan. Hindi, because prayer can move a mountain. That's right? Can I say amen? Amen! Oh, diba? Please all stand. Naging simbahan na. And, hindi, totoo talaga yun. Uy, reality ang sinasabi ko because mayroon kasi akong kuwan sa sarili ko, FMG, pasensya, FMG ha. Meron akong kuwan sa sarili ko ba na parang panata sa sarili ko na I will use this motherhood and this artistahood to this prayer, may power talaga sa prayer. So, tayo, bilang woman, we have the responsibility to pray to our family, to my husband, to my daughters, and to everyone. Please all kneel. So yun ang aking woman in power.
Yes, prayer is power. Palapan naman si Ma'am Shi Melay.
Ayo, tatanong kayo sa akin ha.
And same question din po para kay Miss Eugene Domingo naman this time. Bilang International Women's Month ngayong March, ano ang kahulugan ng pagiging woman of power sa iyo?
Oh my God. I think Catherine said it so, di ba? It's so perfect. Your answer, I'm so amazed.
Is it a yes?
Oh my God, it's
Golden
more than a yes.
Thank you.
Di ba, Sir Freddy? You're amazing.
Thank you. And wait, can I just say, iba rin yung kampante ko pag nandyan si Miss Eugene. Kasi syempre, first time ko dito. So every time nandyan, iba rin yung kaba. And dun ko na-realize na sobrang hirap mag-judge. Yung simple lang na pagtingin ko nasa kaliwa ko si Miss Eugene, iba yung pag may fellow babae na nakikita, and then Ate Mela is there. So iba siguro yung energy din na nabibigay natin mga babae. So thank you also for guiding me.
Yes, my God. And also just to share, lahat ng sinagot nila tama. Yun. That's it. Gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo na I'm not here kung hindi sinadjust ni Katrina isama ako dito. So, I think that's worth noting. Please note that. Because for a while, I've been thinking, ano kayang show ang gagawin ko pa next? Ano pang next project ko? And my God, this show landed on my lap and I just said, I think this is the best show. I mean, this is the most entertaining show. If the Filipinos have given up on TV, don't. The best is yet to come. PGT is the best show. If not, Sir Freddy won't be here. Correct. Diba, Sir Freddy? I mean, this is everything. This is entertainment, this is talent, and this is Filipino. What more can you ask for?
Yes, thank you so much, Miss Marinelle. And of course, thank you sa ating Women of Power. All right, ang ating next question is from Sir Jeffrey Olila Garcia from Jeff Oligar TV.
Yes, good afternoon po sa lahat ng friends natin sa press and to the host
Hello po.
and judges. Ayun, supportan natin ang bagong season ng PGT.
Salamat, Sir Chef.
Yes, ang ating first question ay para kay Donnie Pangilinan. Ikaw na naman. So, ang tanong ko sa iyo, yun, bilang isa sa mga first-timers for PGT, bagamat nasubukan mo na before sa magpasikat, right? Ano yung taste mo or gaano ka ba kumilatis ng talents ng PGT?
Musta, Jeff? Nice to see you again. Paborito ko
I'm
talaga yung
okay.
boses mo, bro.
Oh.
Oo.
Not again.
Para sa akin, paano ba? Hindi ko alam eh. Paano ba ako, Miss Uge? Paano ba ako milatis? Kasi ako, I just do whatever feels right. It's hard to have a very technical approach. I think a lot of what we do as judges is just our gut feeling. And everything we mentioned kanina, di ba? Yung presence, yung wow factor, ganun. So, sa totoo lang, hindi namin masyado iniisip, uy, nakita ko ba to? Ito ba yung kailangan nating mahatak sa viewers or ganun. I think ang iniisip lang namin is this worthy of going to the next round? So, whatever that may be, however that makes us feel, you know, wherever that comes out from, I think that's just where I get it from. I don't really think about it so much, if that makes sense. Yeah.
Yeah, thank you, Donnie. And para sa mga host, my second question is for Kuwanti Melay.
Sir Jeff?
Hello. Hello. Ito, what's your expectation sa panibagong season na ito ng PGT since kasama mo na yan si Robby?
Ang expectation ko talaga is riot talaga to. Nag-umpisa na nga yung riot namin talaga ni Robby D. At may one time na iniwan niya ako. Pero talagang binigay ko na lang kay Lord lahat ng mga blessing. Lahat ng mga pagdadasal ko kasi super nakakatakot ba maging host dito sa PGT ba, di ba? So, talagang... Ano nga yung tanong? Sorry.
Inuna mo yung sisi eh.
Hindi. So, ang ina-expect ko talaga is riot and yung mga talent ng mga Pinoy na makikita talaga natin dito. Actually, wag nyo na lang kaming tanungin. Ang tanungin niyo yung mga talented talaga. Kasi sila talaga ang bida dito sa PGT. Paglabas, parang nila talaga ang maa-amaze kayo. Ganito pala ang kulturang Pinoy. Robby D?
Sorry, I just wanna add, no, coming into PGT, may pressure kasi, grabe yung pressure na naset talaga ng Billy Luis tandem. Alam mo yun, they've been doing this for the past how many seasons already. And then, nung sinabi sa akin na ang mga kasama ko si Ate Melay, wala, tapos na yung pressure. Kasi I know for this season of PGT, we are gonna be standing on the shoulders of giants, Billy Luis, but at the same time, giving a new flavor para sa programa. Kaya ako, sobrang swerte ko na makasama ang isang Melay. Maraming salamat, Ate Me.
Hoy!
Actually, may VTR kami para sa'yo.
Pero papaalisin na naman niya ako. Hindi. Actually, nawala talaga ang pressure niya nung nilabas ang presyo.
Uy, grabe ka.
Presyo ng kanyang sweldo. Cha-cha-cha lang. Wala. So, okay na ba yung sagot namin? Kung hindi pa, press no.
Pwede ba ako mag-add, Jeff? Mag-add ako. Ito, sa totoo lang, I will speak on behalf of all the judges here. Kasi yung hosts natin yung nagsa-start ng show. So, I would just like to give them all the props needed. Kasi kung wala sila dito, wala talaga yung PGT Season 7. At sobrang laki ng respeto ko kay Kuya Robs at kay Ate Melay. Actually, yung pinakaunang nagsabi sa akin na, I think, inquiry pa lang to na may PGT. Nung nalaman ko si Kuya Robs yung magiging host, it made the decision so much easier. Kasi actually one of our dreams before, nung nagsisimula pa lang tayo sa mix, is to do PGT together. And I'm just so grateful na we were given this opportunity, obviously alongside such an amazing cast here. So, I would have no other hosts than these two. Maraming salamat, guys.
Tony, we love you.
Love you both.
Group hug.
Okay, thank you po.
Thank you
Salamat,
so
Jeff.
much, Jeff.
Salamat, Sir Jeff.
Maraming salamat po. And our next question naman ay manggagaling po kay Alan Sancon of Stars Photo.
Hello po, congratulations. Yan, isa ako sa mga excited na panoorin yung PGT Season 7. Pero yan, yung question ko doon naman sa mga online host natin, kay Lorraine sa kay Wise. Siyempre, kasali sila, di ba?
Akala nyo,
Actually,
ha?
proud ako kay Wise kasi friend ko yan, ang tagal-tagal niya ng, di ba, nasa showbiz. Pero this time, binigyan siya ng pagkakataon to host online. Pero what preparation did you do para mas maging powerful yung yung hosting nyo online kasi maraming mga nanonood online not just on TV, di ba? Pero what preparation yung ginagawa nyo for you to be able to capture the heart of all the viewers sa online? Lorraine and Wise.
Yung ginagawa ko po kasi is, kasi yung hosting namin sa Showtime Online is ibang-iba talaga dun sa gagawin namin. Ginagawa namin dito sa Pilipinas Got Talent. Parang mas formal, mas seryoso. So, kapag binibigay sa amin yung mga profile ng mga contestants, inaaral po namin yon. And then, habang nagpe-perform din po sila dito, nag-observe kami kung ano ba yung comments na binibigay ng mga judges, kung paano ba nagpe-perform yung mga contestants natin. And then, nag-a-ask kami ng mga malalalim na questions pa para mas may puso pa, may labas namin yung puso din po ng mga contestants natin. Lorraine.
Yes. Ako naman po, first of all, sobrang laking opportunity po neto na makapag-host ng PGT Exclusive. Sobrang maraming salamat po dahil pinagkatiwalaan niyo po kami dito kahit sa online platform po. Thank you so much. And of course, paano kami nagpre-prepare? Bilang kami ay nasa noontime nga po, gusto rin po namin magkaroon ng ibang Wise and Lorraine pagdating po dito sa Pilipinas Got Talent. Kaya ay inaral po namin yung format ng PGT, lalo na 7th season na po and after 7 years, nagbabalik na po ang Pilipinas Got Talent. Gusto po namin mabigay yung very best Wise and Lorraine na maipapakita po namin sa PGT Exclusive. Thank you so much po.
Salamat po sa tiwala. Mas gagalingan pa po naming dalawa.
Tama.
Thank you.
po.
Congratulations, everyone.
Salamat
Thank you
po.
so much
Tiwala.
po. Ito naman po ang ating next question from Manila Feed, from Mr. Chad Roset. Ayan. This question is for Sir FMG po. Having been in the industry for so long, how do you see Filipino talent evolving over the years? If magbibigay po kayo ng comment kina Catherine, Donnie at Eugene as jurados, how would you rate their performance as the new set of jurados in PGT?
Is it a yes?
No. Firstly, all these years, we've been doing the PGT and we were absent for 7 years. And I was asking Donnie, ano kaya makikita natin ngayon dito? After 7 years, can we still get the best talents? Kasi nawala na yan the search for the best talents. And he said, what did you call me? Sir. Marami na yung bagong technology ngayon na makikita siguro tayo, incorporate sa talent na mag-perform sa PGT. And sure enough, the talents that we have right now have leveled up. I would say that they could be compared to world-class acts. Maganda, maraming maganda. Ngayon, sa mga kasama ko naman sa judging, I think I have the best chemistry of judges. I have the best chemistry of hosts.
Thank you so much, sir.
And you would see the season 7 of PGT as going to be one of the best. Ang gagaling nila, talagang bumilib ako. I was surprised the way they talk to the talents, the way they ask questions, the way they scrutinize. Sabi ko, mas magaling pa itong kaysa akin, Pero believe ako, ang gagaling nila. Si Catherine, si Uge, si Donnie, at ang dalawa nating host. Ang gagaling nila. Sabi ko nga pwede bang pantayan ni Robbie and Melay yung si Billy and because they were working for 6 years. Ito sila bago lang. But surprisingly, I think we are going to have the best shows because of the chemistry of these people.
Sir FMG, thank you. Sir FMG, thank you. 1-5.
1-5.
Yes, maraming salamat po, Sir FMG. Our next question naman po ay manggagaling kay Philip Martin Matel of Rappler.
Good afternoon. My question is for Catherine. You've done so much, of course, in your illustrious career as an actress and then on movies and TV. Ngayon, ano yung naiiba? What's the difference na ikaw naman yung tutulong sa pag-scout ng next great thing sa Filipino talent dito sa bagong season na to?
Yeah, it's different. It's so different. You know, nag-set naman ako sa utak ko. Nag-set na ako na, okay, it's gonna be a different experience. Pero iba pala, pag nandyan ka na, talaga. Alam mo yung minsan pag uwi ko from taping, iniisip mo pa, i-recap ko lahat ng mga nakita ko na performances that day. And then iisipin ko hanggang makashower, hanggang nasa bed ka, if tama yung mga nabigay kong advice and yung mga yeses and nos na binigay ko that day. Because, like yung sinabi kanina, I think that was one of the first few questions. Meron kaming power to change a person's dream or to make that dream come true. We can be part of that dream. So our yeses, it's so powerful. And yung no's namin, it's so hard to say no. Parang sinabi ko, kung ako lang siya na as Kath, Diyos ko, ang dali-dali kong patawanin, pasayahin. Pero kailangan din, syempre, we're here representing Pilipinas Got Talent, and I'm one of the judges, so we have to perform as well. So siguro, yun yung iba. So iba yung environment. But this time, ang galing niya kasi ang dami din naming natututunan sa mga nag-audition. So, di ba, akala nyo kami yung nagme-mentor sa kanila. But then, feeling ko, ang dami ko natututunan sa bawat nagpe-perform. And growing up, siguro, I'm just very lucky na I was surrounded, and I'm still surrounded with a lot of people. Parang I have my mentors. So, like, I have Tita Cory, I have CLK, I have Inang, Direk Cathy. I have these people na umalalay sa akin at umaalalay sa akin hanggang ngayon. And sobrang grateful ko sa mga tao na yon. And now I think it's time to share what I've learned through the years. I know na I'm very young, I'm not experienced enough, but I think this is my way of paying it forward sa kanila naman na I think ito yung personal na experience ko, and I think this will help you. So, when I'm there, it's me as a judge, yes, but I want to be that person na you can talk to as your friend, as your sister. I want to be that heart sa panel na magiging comfortable ka. So, ayun, that's what I'm trying to do every episode. I keep that in mind. And nagpapasalamat lang ako sa lahat ng mentors ko through the years, and hopefully this time, ako naman yung makakatulong sa mga sasali pa dito sa Pilipinas Got Talent. So yes, it's different, but I think this is my way of saying thank you. So sana may matutunan naman sila. Let's just enjoy. Yes.
Thank you so much, Sir Philip and Miss Catherine.